I'm Stephanie Essen. This is IDZ Weekly. This time we tell you about the Intel Smart Video Workshop at the Industry 4.0 Summit. This computer vision workshop by Intel happens on April 10th and 11th in Manchester, England at the Manchester Central Convention Complex. It's aimed at engineers, researchers, and software developers who develop computer vision and machine learning applications and want to benefit from transparent hardware acceleration. This hands-on workshop will take you through a computer vision workflow using the latest Intel technologies and toolkits, including support for deep learning algorithms. Let's look at the agenda and topics. It'll start off with a brief introduction to deep learning and model training, an introduction to Intel OpenVINO, hands-on Lab 1, end-to-end video analytics, advanced features, and OpenVINO FPGA, a lunch break to get your tasty num-nums on, a partner presentation, hands-on Lab 2, Intel Media SDK, and CSP Cloud Connector integration. Make sure you sign up for the event by following the links, and I'll see you all next Monday.
Hey, I hope you liked this video. If you haven't seen our other videos on the Intel Software YouTube channel, remember to subscribe, and don't forget to leave us a comment. Tell us what other material you'd like to see, and chat with other enthusiasts who watch our shows. See you next time.